So when I run this, the way our model actually works is that, and it's going to be a bit slow here. The way it works, not that this is how the final solution kind of works, but the way it works is that as we're passing the motion picture to the model itself, every time, so this model is trained in such a way that if it sees something that looks like a pothole, it's going to show you where that pothole is with the confidence associated with that prediction, if I can equate that, right? So the numbers you're seeing here, 0.3 or something is the confidence level, right? And in fact, I'm not sure if I'm the one who's going to do this, but if you use computer vision as a case example, Superior, Dr. Nyirenda, you're going to have a discussion around these numbers, right? Because these are tied to evaluation. So one of the things you can do when you build a model like this is you can say, I'm only interested in filtering things that have detections that have a confidence, interval, a probability. This is a probability score between 0 and 1, right? That are above a certain type of threshold or something, But it turns out that this is not what you are after, is it? What you are after is building something that is going to be useful to whoever is going to be using this. I'm going to cancel this here, it's slow. What you're interested in building is building something that is going to be ultimately useful, like in this particular case, useful to Lusaka City Council, right? So what these students did, and if you go to our research group website, you'll find the report is right there. What they did was they built a mapping tool, right? So the way this mapping tool works is it uses input motion picture, so video footage, we used my vehicle, my dash cam in my vehicle. I have tons and tons of video footage. In fact, I've been collecting video footage for a very long time, right? So if you look up at your own time, if you look up, I'm going to go to Capstone publications and Capstone projects here. You want to, if you're interested in getting a sense of what exactly these guys did, you can look up their publication. I'm just going to show it in the info messages here. There we go. It's the link to the publication itself. It has technical details and all those things. But also, in terms of where the data came from, right? Because what you notice very, very soon when we start talking about this is data is crucial to derivation of insights, right? Like when you talk about data mining and warehousing, you need data, right? That's the first problem you have got to solve is where is this data going to come from? So in my case, we are fortunate enough because I have this expensive overlay, I want to call it here.